If you've been sitting for a while, get comfortable. Maybe move around a little bit, get the blood flowing a bit. Sit down comfortably, try to get exactly in the position that's going to help you to stay focused. When you're ready, take a nice big exhale, push everything out. Inhale through the nose into the diaphragm. It's another inhale. With every breath, just feel a nice wave of relaxation coming over you. Relax your body and just focus on your natural breath. Slightly lower your chin towards your chest. Stretch out the back of your neck. It's going to help you to relax a little bit more and keep your chest and your chin connected as much as you can. Try to let go of all of that internal noise, any chaos, any movement. Just try to be for right now. Whatever sounds, sensations in your body, thoughts, feelings, anything that's arising, don't try to change it, don't try to fight it. Just observe it. Try to just focus on your breath. Let the breath flow in your nostrils, around your body, and out your mouth. If you're not okay with your rhythm of breathing, this is the time to adjust it. Try to find something that's comfortable for you. And if you're okay, then you're good. As you inhale, try to think about gathering in the breath of life, which is rooted in the source of all, HaKadosh Baruch Hu Hashem. And that first supernal breath that came from up above. Every breath is new life, new vitality, new energy, more dveikut. As you exhale out now, return your own individual breath to its divine source. The exhale is your experience of giving yourself back into this divine inhale. Realize how dependent you are on Hashem, how small and insignificant you are in the grand scheme of the whole entire creation, how much you need and how much you're dependent on the Creator. With every inhale, I'm receiving more and more from Hashem. And anytime I exhale, I'm giving my little piece back into that great big breath. From this space, try to connect to a deeper, intimate connection that you have with the Creator of all life. The rhythm of your breath is this divine flow within you, as if you're dancing with Hashem. Try to stop feeling, stop sensing, stop thinking. Just to allow this supernal breath to flow through you. Try to direct this light, this beautiful feeling of connecting with Source, to make us better people, to better servants of Hashem, to take upon ourselves to keep the will of Hashem more and more. To be more disciplined, more conscious, more aware of the King. Melech, Malchei Melechim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Hashem is the breath of everything, the life of everything, even more so. He knows everything that's happening, every thought, every single word, every action. This world is filled with confusion, multiplicity, a lot of Gevurah. All I want to see is you, Hashem. All I want to feel is you, Hashem. Moshe says, and what is Hashem asking of you? To have a little bit of awe. Zal teach us Is awe a small thing? That's just what he's asking for you, just to have awe. Is awe a small thing? And their answer is, for Moshe, it's a small thing. Come the teachings of the Baal Shem Tov and the students of the Baal Shem Tov and teach us that we all have a spark of Moshe inside of us. Or that spark of Moshe Rabbeinu inside of us. Having awe of Hashem is a small thing. It's easy for that point. We just have to amplify the point of Moshe that we have inside of us. The light of Mashiach that we have inside of us, the light of Yanuka that we have inside of us. You can stay in this as long as you want. And if you want to come down, whenever you're ready, just take a nice deep inhale. Let all of the air go around. Try to hold on to any of these lights and direct them to where they need to go. And when you're ready, exhale, come back.